Looking for the best litter box liners? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 litter box liners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Vanness Drawstring Cat Pan Liners. Include drawstrings that reduce the mess when you remove them. Consist of 65% recycled plastic, which makes them more eco-friendly than others. Do a decent job of resisting tears with their 3-ply material. Boast a nice price point, and they're made to fit smaller sized boxes tightly. At 22 by 18 inches in size, they may not fit larger boxes well. At number 2. Jonny Cat Heavy Duty Jumbo Litter Box Liners. Easy to use, as the bags have drawstring to close when it's time for disposal. Heavy duty material that's 2 mm thick to keep the waste inside the bag. Large size at 36 by 18 inches, so they'll fit multi-cat litter boxes. Thick product that will resist tearing from animal claws and is suitable for homes with more than one feline. Don't work as well on small-sized boxes as some competitors. At number 1. Fresh Step Unscented Drawstring Litter Box Liners. Thick, large liners that measure 36 by 19 inches, making them a good fit for most large boxes. Durable drawstring closures offer easy disposal. Unscented, yet does a good job controlling odors. Reliable product by a top brand that works for most large boxes and doesn't rely on a strong scent to reduce odors. Not the best option for small boxes, and not totally scratch resistant. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.